Now, ahead of the start of the upcoming school year, the academic staff at two of the island's universities are restive. This is due to unresolved compensation and promotion matters. Public Relations Officer of the University of Technology Academic Staff Union, UTASU, Tasheika Burris-Melville, says the union is particularly concerned about settlement of the government's compensation package for the 2022 to 2025 period.
It's a critical matter because we're seeing where other public sector workers are now negotiating for 2025-2027 academic period, and we are still waiting to get any word on this matter. And what compounds this issue is the fact that our compensation is indexed to that of the University of the West Indies.
President of the West Indies Group of University Teachers, Professor Paul Brown, says the union has been trying for months to get the government back to the negotiating table.
Not rocket science. We have put some things on the table, and I think the time that they would have had should have allowed for them to complete their analysis and to get back to us. Now, it might not be the full a resolution of all of the matters, but at least we'd be advancing. But, you cannot have things in abeyance and then expect that persons will say, well, okay, we see with you, give you another 2 weeks, give you another month. No, it has to stop somewhere. And that is what we're saying.